Getting into the definition of probability, probability is the likelihood of events occurring. There are three types of probabilities: conditional probability, independent probability, and dependent probability. The first is conditional probability, which probability of event B, event A already happened. The equation for conditional probability is P of event B given event A. Independent probability is the occurrence of either of them, meaning event A or event B, no effect on probability of another. The equation for independent probability is P event A and B, and to get that, you multiply the probability of event A times the probability of event B. Lastly, dependent probability, occurrence of one of them has an effect on probability of another. P of event A and probability of event B. To get that, it's probability of event A times the probability of event B given A. On the last video, we had our volunteer spin the wheel on the twister wheel, and she spun a blue, and we're trying to find the probability she will get blue again without replacing the blue that she got. This is an example of dependent probability. So we have 4 blues here out of the 24, and since we didn't replace the blue that she got the first time, it's now 3 and 23. So 24 minus 1 equals 23. And then we have 4 times 3 equals 12. Then 24 times 23 equals 552. You divide 12 by 552, which equals 2.17%. So our volunteer has a 2.17% chance of getting blue after she got it the first time without replacing it. As seen on the previous video, we had another volunteer spin the twister wheel. She landed on a blue, and we're trying to find the probability she will get red. This is an example of independent probability, meaning the probability of event A will not affect the probability of event B, and the probability of event B will not affect the probability of event A. So here we have 4 blue out of the 24 colors on the twister board, and 4 red out of the 24 colors on the twister board. There's no change because there's no correlation between the 4 blue and the 4 red. So 4 times 4 equals 16. 24 times 24 equals 576. You divide 16 divided by 576 and you get 2.77%. So our volunteer had a 2.77% that she will get red after she spun blue on her first try. As seen on the previous video, one out of the 4 spins landed on a red right foot. We are trying to find the probability the next volunteer will get a red right foot as the previous did. So 1 out of 24, the 1 comes from there's only 1 red right foot out of 24. This is the second time 1 red right foot out of 24 possibilities on the board. 1 times 1 equals 1. 24 times 24 equals 576. You do 1 divided by 576, and that equals 0.17%. So the next volunteer has a 0.17%. They will get a red right foot as the previous volunteer got one.